Today we are going to discuss surface areas and volume. Section C, it is a 3-mark sum. A wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. If the height of the cylinder is 10 cm and its base radius is 3.5 cm, find the total surface area of the solid. So let us proceed. This is a solid cylinder. So from this two ends, each end of the solid cylinder, there is a hemispherical shape is scooped out. That means it is taken out, it is removed. It is removed from two ends. Then we need to find the total surface area of the article. So let us write the given things. Given two shapes are given, cylinder and hemisphere. Cylinder and hemisphere. Cylinder, what is the radius? Cylinder radius is 3.5 cm. That radius, same radius, 3.5 cm. This radius only, this radius, 3.5 cm. Then height of the cylinder. Height of the cylinder, 10 cm. Height of the cylinder is 10 cm. Then to find TSA of the article. TSA of the article. TSA of the article, which is equal to CSA of the cylinder, CSA of the cylinder plus 2 into CSA of the hemisphere. 2 into CSA of the hemisphere, because this shape, when we see from here, there is a hemispherical depression. It is visible from the top as well as this base. When you see from here, because this portion is removed. When you see from top, this portion is visible. This portion is visible, and this portion is visible. So that we need to add these two areas along with the CSA. CSA of the cylinder. Two into CSA of the hemisphere, that is 2 pi r square. Or we can write directly, what is it called? Surface area of the sphere. Because two hemispheres, when you join, it will become a sphere. Or we can write like this itself. So let us simplify the formula first. So because radius is same, minimum 1 2 pi r is common now. Here also 1 2 pi r, here also 1 2 pi r. So what we do is, so let us take 2 pi r outside. H plus 2 pi r is outside. Another one is 2 into r. So 2 into 2, 4 pi r square. 2 into 2, 4 pi r square. So 2r, it is left out, which is equal to 2 into pi value 22 by 7 into radius. Radius is 3.5 into height, it is 10, plus 2 into radius, that is 3.5. 44 into 0.5. Here 10 plus 2 into 3.5, it is 7. Into 0.5, let us multiply. So one decimal place, the 22. which is equal to 22 times 10 plus 7, 17. Here some students they will multiply 22 into 17 like that. So if you multiply like this, you 2 times you can write repeatedly 34, then you will get the answer easily. So it will save your time in exam. This type of multiplication if you do, it will save your time in exams. So let us write the final answer. TSA of the article. Thank you.